Welcome to Animo Retail. In this video, we will create a branch transfer and we will receive that branch transfer. So when I am saying branch transfer means, let's suppose that we are going to transfer the goods from warehouse to a store, and then at a store we will receive this transfer. Again, we will send back the goods from the warehouse from the store to warehouse, and at warehouse also we will make the inward document. Okay, so how we can do that? Let's log in first. Okay, and we can go to sales and distribution menu where stock outward option is there, and under the stock outward we do have IBT outward. IBT outward is stands for inter branch transfer outward, and IBT sales stands for inter branch sales. Okay, so okay, we'll create a interbranch transfer first. So to create an interbranch transfer, what we need to do is click on this new interbranch transfer document. Okay, and you choose that to which store you are going to send this stock, right? So let's suppose that we are sending it to 002. Okay, scan one item, scan two items, and now save this. That is it. Now a transfer document has been created for store 2 from a warehouse. Now I will log in into store 2 and log in into store 2, and what we will do is we will go for the IBT inward option, interbranch transfer inward. Let's click on new interbranch transfer, select the store, it is warehouse or head office, and click on the with reference option. Now you can see that document which we have created just 2 minutes ago, that is not showing in the list. So what is the reason why it is not showing in the list? The reason is that it is not yet approved. So let's go back to the head office again. Let's go to IBT outward interface. This was the document number, right? 122 1022. Now I have clicked on it and approve it. Once this document is approved, that means it is not editable. Now it will be visible on the interface of IBT inward in store number 002. Okay, we can log in again in store 002 and we can go for the IBT inward option, and here we can click on the new inward. We select that from which store the stock has been received, and you select the with reference option, and now you can see 6th of August 122 is on top. You select it, populate it, and then you save it. So this is a way we can make a inter-branch transfer outward and inter-branch transfer inward. Okay, one thing you remember, that after completion of any document, uh, we recommend you to approve the document after verification, you know, so that nobody else will be able to modify or do any changes in that document. Okay, so once it is created, you select it, you check it, everything is okay, you approve it. That is it. Thank you very much for watching this video.